All rise. Support court with Judge Van Der Bee is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB1079, Thomas case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Thomas,
Yes.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Unfortunately, I'm so sorry to waste your time, my time. I just want child support for my baby.
Okay.
That's it.
Well, you're not really wasting my time. I have to be here.
Yeah.
So,
Well,
and this is what we do. That's what court is for. You want child support? How old is your baby?
my baby is 2 years old.
Okay. In 2 years, has dad
No,
provided
he
anything?
ain't did nothing. He ain't gave me a $2 bill.
Okay.
Nothing. My son, all he wants is a relationship with his father. He don't even want dad. And I told you, like, we could just talk this through, but
Well, address me.
Sorry.
Don't address him. I'll get what I need out of him in just a few minutes as soon as you're done.
I'm sorry.
So what's the situation?
So I'm new here. I bartend on the weekends. I work for a retail company.
Okay.
I don't make much. I make $40,000 a year. 20 from the bartender and 20 from the retail. And we met at the bar. And he liked the bartender. So
Okay.
that's how we got started. And I thought things was good. My mentor, I thought we and her was close, and she was trying to get to my man, and that's what happened. So,
Okay.
and
How long did y'all date? Y'all have a dating relationship?
yeah, well, I thought we was dating. He said, nah, don't look at it like that. Let's just be cool. Let's be friends, but don't catch no feelings. But then you calling me 3 o'clock in the morning, and you showing up to my mama's house. And
How did I say
I ain't
that
got-
we have a 2-year-old?
what?
How did I say that we have a 2-year-old?
I don't know how you said anything. Excuse, I'm sorry. I'm just so flustered because we could have handled this outside. We didn't have to come to court.
We could.
Well, that's kinda what court is for.
Support.
Hold on, Ms. Thomas. That's what court is for y'all to hash these issues out if you couldn't work it out on your own. So you all had a dating relationship, or what you presume to be a dating relationship.
Yeah.
You met at the bar. I mean, did y'all have some bad shots or something because the
No, we had
relationship
good
didn't work?
shots. It was a nice long shot at the time.
Well, you know what? I'm gonna have to start doing better asking these questions. I'm going to have to start doing better. Yeah, no, I don't want to know what was going on in you all's relationship in terms of conception
Yes.
with the baby. Okay, I'm just doing like a little recap. It might have a little pettiness in there, but it's like a little recap, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So y'all met at the bar,
Yeah.
and the baby is here, 2 years old.
The judge is absolutely roasting them right now, full and locular of all trolling. But honestly, let's take a step back for a second. This entire relationship feels like it was ripped straight out of a cringy reality show. The drama, the chaos, the questionable life choices, it's all giving bad TV energy. Now, real talk. Do you think this was just a messy situation that spiraled way out of control? Or was there some real manipulation happening behind the scenes? Like, was she being lead on the whole time, or did things just crash and burn in the worst way possible? Let's break it down, because honestly, this whole story is wilder than a season finale plot twist.
Have anything to do with the little boy?
No.
He doesn't take him anywhere?
And it was okay at first. We was talking. It wasn't until he got with my mentor.
Oh,
That's,
okay.
To me, that's the big issue. Before she came into the picture, we was talking. It was fine. I'm like, okay, if you're not
Was
gonna
he visiting with the baby, taking the baby anywhere?
on Sundays, going to church, that was it.
No weekends?
Nah,
Nothing during the week?
nah.
I'm a football coach. He used to be at games with me.
Hold on, one second. Is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to him?
Apparently, he and my mentor, they got a child on the way, and so that's the
Oh.
reason why he don't want to pay child support. And I ain't got nothing to do with all that.
Okay.
My baby was here first, so like, yeah.
Okay. Is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to him?
He the father and everything else. That's it.
Well, thank you for asking that. And please don't chew gum in here. Please do not chew gum in here.
Sorry.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So before we move over to him, is there any question that he is?
But hold up, wait a second. We need to hit rewind, because this plot twist just turned the courtroom into a full-on soap opera. Seriously, you couldn't script this stuff if you tried. How are you even supposed to co-parent when the stepmom used to be your best friend? Like, what's the move here? Group chats about soccer practice. Or just awkward silences and passive-aggressive side-eyes at every family event. This is the kind of wild drama that makes you grab a tub of popcorn and rethink every decision you've ever made. I need to know, how would you even begin to navigate this chaos? Drop your takes in the comments, because this one belongs in the history books.
You all had DNA testing done?
Yep. The
And he's
moment
the
I
father.
conceived.
Oh, okay. All right, so that's not an issue. So let me move over to him and see what's going on, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Well,
Sir, what's going on?
Actually, I'm a football coach / physical trainer.
Slash liar. Slash
Excuse you.
manipulator.
Excuse you. Excuse
When I
you.
have those.
Excuse you. You will not be disrespectful like that in here. We're not going to do any name calling. I definitely don't want you all to throw something at each other. Please do not do all of that.
No, she ain't
it's
gonna do
not
that.
necessary.
I ain't gonna do
She
what?
ain't that crazy.
Okay,
That's
well,
what you
here's the
want to
deal.
believe, though.
Well, here's the deal. You're not going to be crazy up in here, okay? The only person that can get crazy and say crazy stuff, which I'm not going to say anything that's just completely disrespectful, is me. I just need the facts.
Right.
So I can determine if child support needs to be paid and what the amount is going to be, all right? So, go ahead.
Like I was saying, I'm a football coach / physical trainer.
All right?
She said I don't do anything for the child be with me, and he be going to football games, and as looking at his facial expressions, it seemed like he have fun. He meet other kids that love the same sport like he does. I have no problem paying child support, but every time we try to have a talk, it always switches to her
Her what?
manager, because I go out with her manager. Let's just put it out there.
Her manager.
Yeah.
Oh, she dates her manager.
No, I go
he
out with
does.
her manager.
Oh, you go out. Oh, her former mentor.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
At the
Well,
bar.
I mean, you don't think that would cause like a little sore spot?
Just a little bit, just a snippet.
Well, I mean,
Stop instigating.
people grow apart.
I mean, they do, but they don't grow to somebody's close friend or mentor.
That's all right. When you become my stepson, because I am with your daddy, then I don't want to hear none of that. All right? That's it.
Miss Thomas, that is it.
You see, there's no hostility on my side. Like I said, I have no problem.
Well,
paying
it shouldn't be on your side.
Right.
You living the life. You dated her. You all had a baby. Her mentor. You started dating her. You all have a baby on the way. You living the life.
Luxury.
A full-blown baby-making pyramid scheme. First it was the bartender, now it's the mentor. At this point, he's not just starting a family, he's building an entire network. Is this some secret master plan to populate a small town? Because honestly, somebody needs to get Maury. On speed dial, this is next level. I'm convinced he's got a spreadsheet somewhere labeled future co-parents, complete with names, dates, and preferred baby names. What's next? A loyalty program for baby mamas. I need a front row seat to this madness. Somebody show me the blueprint, because this saga is officially crazier than a full season of Game of Thrones.